we've been training this chair for 3 years. So this is the end of the 3rd season. It's autumn and it's losing its leaves. This is going to be a fully harvested piece, and this is the floor level here, and back here is the back legs. So when these get thick enough where they completely grow together, then we'll harvest it, and we're going to polish out the sitting part. Notice the arm rests come out. Same on this side. But this is quite difficult to do, to get perfectly the tree to branch. Bang, bang, bang. And notice it comes up here and then splits into two. Comes up here, splits into two. So this will be another 2 seasons, I would say.
On this film, I have asked Pete to go into a little bit of the history of chairs being grown upside down. So there will be some footage that continues on with the tree that we're growing in Portugal right now. But from now on, Pete will be talking about the history of chairs that have been grown upside down. If you like this video, could you give it a thumbs up so the YouTube algorithm knows that it should show it to more people? That would be wonderful. Thanks.
In 2004, Becky and I were discussing how it would best be to grow a chair. We both come to the answer together. It was grow it upside down. So we started in 2004. That was harvested in Australia. Now this chair here is growing up the right way. The design is completed, but it's going to thicken from here. We thought we were the first to think of growing a chair upside down. It turns out that before us there's a guy in Austria called Bernhard Schmid. He thought of it years before us. I think he harvested his first one in 2005. So he had thought of growing one upside down way before us. And then in England there is Gavin and Alice. They grow chairs upside down. We're not sure how he come to the idea. We think maybe it was a guy called Nelson, because he named the first chair Nelson, and he was a guy from Spain who was up there helping him. Maybe he thought of growing them upside down. But definitely the guy in Austria, Bernhard Schmid, is the first that we know of in the world to grow chairs upside down. Please subscribe and we'll show you more. Bye.